So we're at a friend of mine's house, and he's got a beautiful shop here, and he is one of my welders. He's been welding for me for over 25, I hate to say even 30 years. You can see the trailer now. The trailer is vacant. The boat is inside on the lift, and we'll give you a picture of that. So while he's doing that, we are going to do some cleaning up of this trailer. I'm gonna do some sanding. We're gonna place the mats on our fenders and get this baby painted up and get it back in shape, because that's what I think needs to be done. I've been noticing the boat's been taking on a little bit of extra water, and I was like, what the world is going on here? We got this baby on the lift. She looks sleek. This looks sleek on there. And now that we have our crack exposed, here's what we're looking at here. You can see this crack, this weld here. Someone has tried to work on this weld, and it didn't, actually the weld held up. The problem is we have a crack under here. So we're gonna get some aluminum rod. We're gonna fix all that up, and we have to paint this all back up. So that's pretty bad. I really enjoy this boat. It's kind of sad to me that we're having this issue, but we'll fix it. So we got the trailer off the boat, or let's reverse that. We got the boat off the trailer, so we have an opportunity here to get the trailer looking good. So I've already taken off a few things. Took the spare tire off, took the little carpeting areas that go behind the rims off. We're gonna get this all sanded down, and we're gonna get it painted up. Hang out with me, and we'll get this done, and hopefully it'll look beautiful when we're done. Well, we're not going to be able to take the dent out of it so much. Maybe we will be able to. Let's see. All right, I wouldn't say it's perfect, but looks a lot better than it did. Let's do some more sanding on this one. All right, well, looks like we got, for the most part, most of it sanded off. I think we're in pretty good shape here. We're gonna get the blower out and we will start doing some painting. I'm not really sure how these come off. They're pretty sloppy. It almost looks like that cap could just be kind of popped off. And if that's the case, no, I don't think so. These come sealed on. So I guess we're gonna have to tape those up to make those look good. All right, let's get taping. These are a commodity in New Jersey. We're not allowed to use bags anymore here in the state. So if you're from New Jersey, you're probably like, oh, that's a precious bag. Just basically trying to use as little tape as possible. So when I get to areas where I need a lot of tape, I can use it. Being everything's going to be white anyway, I don't think it's a real big deal how pretty this one is. Just want to make sure we don't cover the lights. Actually, this particular light could use a little cleaning. To be honest with you, it looks terrible. All right, I'm not too worried about the wiring. If it gets painted, it gets painted. It's all downhill from here. The trick with spray paint is to kind of do a lighter coat. Don't get too crazy trying to paint the whole thing on the first coat. It's going to take a couple coats. Just haze it. We're on the haze part right now. It'll turn white as we go. Get something to cover over those tires. Now I know it looks patchy, but that's okay. It'll tighten up. Trailer's completely painted. I did some black on the axle while you were sleeping. I don't know, you guys were getting a little bit bored, so I said, well, I'll let you stay and take your nap. I've been after these wheels and I've been thinking that they're painted, but I think they're aluminum. So I'm gonna try to clean them up, and if I can, I'll polish them a little bit. All right, so we got this wheel on. It's tedious, so figured you'd be kind of bored. But we got that all painted up. And it's starting to look pretty good now. Okay, so that's the mark that we're going to be using for our wood and carpet. Wow, that kindergarten education really paid off. So we got our two pieces cut. I'm assuming both sides are gonna be the same. Okay, so that's gonna sit on the back here like this, and we'll get some carpeting on there. So that looks good. Now that's a little bit bigger than this side, but that's okay. It'll be carpeted anyway.
Oh my gosh, it works. Hey Dad, you're gonna find this when you're editing. I'm leaving to go down the shore, and I had a lot of fun fishing with you this week. I had a lot of fun going out to eat with you, and I love you. Talk to you later, bye.
Now with our back panels here, these will go behind the fenders. So we got this wood cut out. We tried to wrap them up. It didn't really work out very well. So we used this carpet here, and this will go on the back there. Well, that didn't go too well, did it? So this is what's gonna happen with the carpet. When you put the screw in, it's just gonna rip right out like that. So we're gonna have to figure out a better way to do that. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna have to staple the carpet to it. So that's gonna keep the muck and the mud from when we run it over, from getting all over the boat. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna staple right into this piece of wood our carpeting. The carpeting fabric, the pile was just getting wrapped up in our screws, and it was making a real mess. Okay, so we have our carpeting here, and we're gonna get this laid out. I'm gonna use a staple gun. I mean, that's gonna help when the boat comes up against it. The boat should never really make it here with these rollers, to be honest with you, but I thought that'd look nice if we did a little something there.
Rollatini or shells?
Rollatini or shells, guys. Rollatini it is. Rollatini. So I think overall the boat trailer came out pretty well. Still waiting on the boat to get finished. He's just about there. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this boat trailer restoration. It was a lot of not fun for me, but the results are really nice. The entire boat trailer took probably a total of maybe 6.5 hours to sand everything down, get it painted up, even to cut those pieces of wood and get them carpeted over. With a little elbow grease, you can do it too. So I hope you enjoyed us restoring this old boat trailer. Hopefully our boat's gonna be welded up and ready to get on the water soon. See how it looks like with the boat on it. So we're all set. See you out on the lake.